There are certain things you can do all by yourself. You don't need somebody that will run it for you and you start paying. No, there are things you should do yourself. You understand? So guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how I was able to design this logo, this one, this, and this using Canva. Yeah, you don't need to be a professional before you do this. I designed it for myself. Ivy's channel is for my brand. You understand? So it's not everything you need to pay for. There are things you should do yourself. Do you understand? So guys, if you want to learn how to create that logo for your brand, you are already in the right channel. Please, Canva actually has the free version. They also have the paid version. All these logo that you just saw, I downloaded them from the free version, so you can go ahead and do yours too. After watching this video, believe me when I say you can design your own logo for your brand. Ready? Let's go. If you click on the Canva app, if you don't have it, please go to Play Store or App Store and download it. So guys, the next thing we are going to do is this. You click on this search bar here, then you type brand logo. So you click on search, and different logos will come out. So it's not left for you to decide on the one you are going to use. Now mind you, all these ones you are seeing, Crown and PRO Pro, it means that you need to pay before you can use it. This one too, and this other one. So the ones that are free from that pro sign there, you just know it's free, you get. So the ones that have pro, you pay for it, while the ones that don't have pro is free. So since you are not paying, you are doing the one for free, you are doing it for free, search for the one without pro. So guys, let's just search the one we are going to use. So I'll go with this one. Go with this, click on it. Anyone you see that you like, just click on it. So this is ED, and I'm going for IC. That is Ivy's channel. So I'll click on the first letter, which is okay. I think you can remove it at the same time. So just click on it, click on the letter, and then go back and type the first letter of your name. Then click on the second one, go back and type the letter, that is IC. So you see this name here, the one inside, this name here, this one. So you click on it and then click on edit and delete it. After deleting, it's not left for you to write whatever name you want to write there. So I'm writing Ivy's channel for this. Ivy's channel. Ivy's channel. Guys, did you see it? So guys, this is how it's looking. You can see how beautiful it is. So the way it's looking now, if maybe you are feeling like the background is too white, you don't like it like that, you can click on the background, click on it like this and search for color. You can see color here is the second one after replace. Click on color, click on it, and then search for any color of your choice. You can see different colors here. This is blue, you can see. This is purple, this is pink. So it's not left for you to search for the particular color you like. You understand? So this is basically how it works. You get. So guys, this is it for this first one, but I'll just leave it like this. Let's just leave it like this. When you are done, you click on this download sign. You can see it here. Click on it like this and it will start saving. So as you can see, save as image. So this is it. So this is how it will save to your phone. So guys, this is exactly how you create a logo for your brand, you get. So all you need to do is to look for the particular one you like that attracts you very well and you know it's free. Then just edit it, remove their write-up and put your own. That is how to create logo. When you swipe down, you will see a lot. It's plenty. I just use that one as an example. So if I will advise that you try it out, just download the Canva app, just download it and try it out. and let me know how it went. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.